This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Google Chrome. If you want to create a QR code in Google Chrome, this is what you do. You go to the website that you would like to share, then right-click on that page, then select Create QR Code for this page. When you do this, this little window will open, allowing you to edit the URL if you need to, copy the photo that it produces, the QR code that it produces, or download that QR code as a PNG file. And so in this case, I'm just going to copy that image, and then I'm going to open up a Google Doc where I will paste this. And so if I wanted to create a QR code or a poster or something for this Wikipedia article, all I would need to do is edit this document, make it look nice, then print it out and post it where it needs to be posted. So this video shows you how to create a QR code using Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.